Hello mga class! We are in Hong Kong! Hi mga class!
Hello mga kalaan! A minute in the life
Sa Duha ka Laagan. A minute in the life sa Duha ka Laagan.
Here at
Hong Kong
Disneyland.
And we are currently here at Starliner Diner having our first meal of the day. So we're having potato chips, chicken, and some sauce.
That's right.
Yes.
So, Sir MJ,
Yeah.
talking about Disneyland, since we are here, what is your most favorite Disney character?
One of my favorite Disney characters is none other than Ariel, of
Can you
course.
tell me why it's Ariel?
Because, well, she sacrificed herself. She wants to become a human just to be with the person she loves. And of course, she's a mermaid, so it's a given. How about you?
Oh, I really like Mickey Mouse. I'm so excited to see him today.
Yeah. So, how about you? Mga kalaags, who is your favorite Disney character?
So, comment down below. Now na.
Yes, and see you next time.
Bye-bye.